Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today it's Sunday and it's the question answer session. So we have some questions coming in from our subscribers. So let's answer each one of them. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. So this time around, these are the questions that have come up from the viewers of mine over this week, and I have taken that under one slide. So let's take the questions one by one. So Manojit Mondal has written on CanSlim, and he wants to know some examples on CanSlim. Probably he wants to know what could be the future CanSlim hopes, or what could be the stocks that would surface the findings of CanSlim. I would say that it's extremely difficult to find out which are the stocks that could be the big wigs in the near future. But when you look at the past, you can look at stocks like Asian Paints, Hero MotoCorp, HUL, even DMart for that matter, since its inception, since its IPO, and so on and so forth, which have really performed admirably on the CanSlim diktat. That current earnings, annualized earnings, and they're coming in with new products, etc. And market also is in support of such stocks. So very difficult to know as to which could be the new hopes in this section. But I am coming up with a lot of stocks, at least a couple of stocks that I have come up with, VGuard and Kilpest India, which are into, which could be regarded as one of the best to fit into the CanSlim, you can say, the CanSlim portion. So you need to find out by yourself as to which could be the stock that could surface these steps. So kindly do some research and find out about it. If I get to know other stocks, I'll definitely put it up in the multi-baggers segment of mine. Then there's a video demand on NCC from George Koshi. Most probably this week you're going to come up, you're going to see this video on NCC. So just stay tuned and please like and subscribe my channel and share it as much as possible. There are a couple of questions coming in on kilpest, which is similar in nature, from Arindam Pramanik and Mohit Jain, and they are saying, and quite evidently, that the promoter stake in this company is 37%. Because of time constraint and the video was so long that I did not put up this point about the promoter stake and what is the shareholding pattern. Now interestingly, the promoter stake was 43%, or even greater than that, I think nearly 44%, till March 2019, and it dipped to 37%. And this is what Mohit Jain is talking about when they are saying that the management is selling stake. But what had happened is, one of the renowned, you can say, fund managers, or you can say HNI, high network individual, bought into the company 7.33% stake in the June 2019 quarter, and his name is Varun Daga, and you can find that out on the BSC website. If you go to the BSC website and type about Kilpest and get into shareholding pattern, you'll know that he bought something like 7.33% stake into the company. And normally with the companies that he has gone into or bought into is for a very long period of time, and he generally trades or invests in companies which are extremely small cap. So he did that in Janta Pharma at 900 crores. He did that in another pharma company which became 10x from the level that he bought, and he bought that company when it had already gone up 4x. So you can search about Varun Daga and his current holdings, and you'll find out that he has 7.3% stake in Kilpest. So that was the stake that was sold by the management. Normally management has not sold any stake over the last 8 to 10 years, and 43% is low but not very low, neither it is too high. plus DIIs and high net worth individuals have a lot of stake in the company, plus the management itself have stake individually in the company or in the name of their family members. So if you get into the details of the shareholding pattern, you'll know that you'll know in description as to what I'm talking about. So more or less best part of more than 50-55% of the equity holding is uh, with the strong hands, and I'm not sure of the exact percentage, but it is round about that, and you can find that out on the BSC website. So in that regard, the company is not being held only 37%, although yes, I mean officially it is 37% with the management, but more than 50% stake is with people who would hold the stock for a very long period of time. There is a lot of appreciation for my video on the on Nifty fall that I talked about, that the Nifty's move to 11,700 would be curtailed, and the Nifty would fall appreciably over the next 4 to 6 months, and the appreciation have come from Apurva Roy, Sambit Datta, Sanjay Jolly, Shrikant, G. Nandkumari David, and Kiran Nangave, and I'm sorry for wrong interpretation of the name. But thanks a lot for watching my videos, subscribing, and being my subscriber and a loyal viewer of my channel. Thanks a lot for that. Shashikant Sharma, and this is interesting. He said that he had bought Urja Global at 1 rupee and sold it at 9 rupees. That is just outstanding. If you have done that, you would have probably bought at least a lakh shares at 1 rupee, so you would have made at least 7-8 lakhs. He didn't mention how many shares he bought, but tremendous, and probably you were lucky also in a way that you bought it at such a low price and it went up from there. But things have gone bad or pear-shaped even from 1 rupee stock. So the stock have taken a beating. Even those stocks who were 1.2 rupees, they've gone to 50 paisa, 10 paisa. So you made your money, and that's good for you. That's really good for you. So these were the only questions that have come up during this week. Kindly put up more questions and queries on different stocks, and hopefully I'm looking at all the requests that you're having for the company's videos, and I'll put it up every week, and I hope you're liking my videos. Plus let me know in the comment box that if you want my videos in Hindi rather than in English, I'll be happy to do that. It will be very difficult for me to have videos both Hindi and English every day. So I have to choose one of the two, and or mix both the languages together. I can do that as well. Kindly look at the poll that I have set up and reply on that poll. That would be helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks.